Let's go. Oh, you didn't activate.
Fog through midnight. College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and foreign alert systems. 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and foreign alert systems. Area message encoding and tone alert systems.
Anyways, it's time for LWX to test because I'm using my magic, and I'm gonna make sure they test either right now or after CTP. Oh, they're going off.
This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations of the impending hazard. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. The test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Severe weather. The test. This variability, not even more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in such short water. To provide the most comfort and warning as possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected Washington listening areas.
Oh, they're going. They're going. I knew it. PHI's going.
Degrees, the dew point 46 degrees. Waves around 2 feet. Will be postponed to the next weather day. The section of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality. This is a weekly test of the NOAA. The one alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties, independent cities, and marine areas in and near the upper Delmarva Peninsula, in Maryland, and Arundel, Baltimore, Caroline, Cecil, Dorchester, Hartford, Howard, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot counties, Baltimore City, and Chesapeake Bay north of Drum Point. The entire state of Delaware, including Delaware Bay but not including the adjacent Atlantic coastal waters. In New Jersey, Cumberland, and Pennsylvania, Chester location. This concludes the ability level radio all hazards. Station WXK97 in Sudlersville, Maryland. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Chester, Montgomery, Lancaster, and Lebanon. In Delaware, Newcastle. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay North or Pools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Station WNG704 in Hibernia Park, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the